Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is PipiShell Mesh Desk Organizer. This multi-purpose desktop caddy ideal desk storage for office supplies. Good for small stationery supplies, sticky notepads, great for scissors, tape, stapler, flash drives, erasers, rubber bands, whiteout, rulers, pens, pencils, paper clips, thumbtacks, highlighters, markers, glue. Holds arts and craft supplies, paint brushes, household tools, storage for reading glasses, cosmetics, makeup, jewelry, lipstick, cell phone, keys, business card. Desk organizer is suitable for home, office, work, school, classroom, workshop, etc. Nice on desktop, school desk, bedroom dresser, coffee table, shelf, in a college dorm room, living room. This great organizer fit for wherever you need. Mesh Office Organizer has 6 multiple compartments and 1 sliding drawer for sorting and storing. This mesh desk organizer gives you an opportunity to put away your desktop goods and make storing your office stuff easy. PipiShell Mesh Desktop Organizer is made of high-quality metal with a durable rust-resistant coating. The rounded edges keep your workspace surfaces safe and make this a pleasure to use. Office Supply Caddy has 4 non-skid feet on the bottom, protect your desk from scratching. Number 2 in this best desk organizer list is Base Desk Organizer. The desk organizer is made of steel. It is more stable than normal desk organization. It is convenient to arrange documents, paper, file, folder in one place for quick and easy access. Maintaining a well-organized desk simplifies your day-to-day tasks and creates the best environment for work or study. Keeping your desk clean will allow you to find what you need without adding stress to the mix. Desktop organizer is made of sturdy mesh metal with a smooth, durable, rust-resistant ABS coating, and rounded edges design does not hurt hands when you pick up items. The office organizer is easy to install in seconds without any tools and screws. You can do it under the guide of user manual. And 4 soft pads at the bottom to protect desk from scratching. Our third choice is Simple Trending Mesh Desk Organizer. This desktop file organizer is great for desk storage and holding letter/A4 size paper, documents, folders, binders, stationery and notebooks. The 5-compartment file basket design at the top increases the storage space. Great for desk storage and holding letter/A4 size paper, documents, folders, binders, stationery and notebooks. The 5-compartment file basket design at the top increases the storage space. Enough space for all the desk things, making the messy desk organized, having a tidy desk environment and pleasant mood each day. Easy to assembly with the instruction included in the package, just a few minutes. Made of sturdy black wire mesh construction. Pet anti-slip feet to prevent it from sliding or scratching surfaces. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best desk organizer list is PCH's desk organizers. This black desk organizer is with 7 compartments, 6 parts plus 1 sliding drawer, 1 pen holder and 72 desk accessories, 7 pieces large binder clips plus 15 pieces small binder clips plus 20 pieces push pins plus 30 pieces paper clips for sorting and storing. Desk organizers and storage is suitable for home, office, school, etc. For you to place notebook, folders, pens, pencils and other office desk supplies or stationery. Office organizers for desk also good for organizing makeups and small household items. Easily find anything you need. Desk caddy is made of high quality metal, adopting with a powder coat finish and electroplating technology. Wear resistant, anti-oxidation, long lasting and does not fade. Desktop organizer and accessories. The extremely smooth edges will not hurt your things or yourself. This office desk organizers and accessories can be used out of the box. Just fill with all your stationery and enjoy stationery organizer for desk. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Latoure Office Desk Organizer. With this desk organizer, keep all your cute desk accessories neat and organized. Organize your pens, pencils, rules, marker, clips, scissors, sticky notes, name cards and other office accessories separately. Keep them close at hand and organized while freeing up the rest of your desk for the rest of your work. This stationary storage box made of environmentally friendly and non-toxic ABS material, which does not cause any harm. It is strong and solid enough for a long time using. 6 divided compartments to organize all your office supplies, pens/pencils, rules, marker, clips, scissors, sticky notes, name cards and other small supplies. Keeping your office desk or countertop free from a mess, easy to find what you need. Clean desktop can speed up your work and be more creative all day. Great for home office organization, school, college, or dorm desktop organizer. Perfect for the new grad, a birthday, Mother's Day or Valentine's Day gift. It truly can be appreciated by one and all.